One of the very best ways to save energy around the house is to seal up air-leaking cracks using caulk, particularly those around windows and doors. In this case, you notice we have a crack along the bottom here. It's only about 1/8 of an inch wide, so we can take care of that by just taking a good quality caulk and filling it in, and then coming back and wiping it off. What you end up with is a nice, tightly sealed joint that looks great. Now, that's terrific for joints that are that narrow, but anything wider than 1/4 of an inch, as we have above the window here, you can't just apply the caulk, because the caulk can't fill that big a gap. So the solution is to first install some foam backer rod. You can get this at any hardware store or home center. It comes in various diameters. And you want to wedge it in there. In this case, I'm using a 5-in-1 painter's tool, but you can use a wood shim or even a putty knife. And you want to jam it up into the crack, and you want it about 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 to 1/4 inch below the surface. And then what we're going to do, once we get the backer rod installed all the way along the entire crack, we're going to come back and apply some caulk, wipe it off, and it'll look good as new.